Today, students, we are doing part 2 of lesson 3 from the Akshar Bharati textbook for standard 9. Beta me aikto aahe. So come along then. Let's continue with the lesson. This video was made just for you. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. तुम्हीच सांगा सुमारे 6 महिन्यापूर्वी. So now here what the narrator is giving a flashback of what actually happened 6 months ago. So here he is saying तुम्हीच सांगा means you only tell me. Okay, so here he is saying why he was surprised. So he is giving us the flashback of why the narrator felt a surprise or a shock of seeing Shirish play on that stage on that day. So he's saying sumare means around 6 महिन्यापूर्वी. So 6 months ago Shirish माझ्या विद्यालयात आला. So he's saying that around 6 months ago Shirish had come to his institute or school. धीटपणे त्याने विचारले. धीटपणे means very confidently, very boldly he asked. विचारले means asked. आपणच का P Janardhan. So are you? आपण means are you P Janardhan? So that is what he asked. मी सुहास्य मुद्राने होय म्हणायचंय म्हणतातच तो म्हणाला. So मी सुहास्य means with a beautiful smile. मुद्रेने means with that expression. होय means yes. म्हणतातच तो म्हणाला माझे नाव शिरीष भागवत. So he as soon as he asked him, no, आपणच का P Janardhan, are you P Janardhan? When the narrator said yes, so immediately Shirish introduced himself and he said माझे नाव शिरीष भागवत, घरी श्री च म्हणतात. So he's saying at home I am just called Shri. मला गाण्याची फार आवड आहे. So he's saying I love music. So गाण्याची means singing. Okay, फार आवड आहे. So here the narrator responded to him and he said तुला गाण्याची आवड आहे तर. But the Shirish replies back to him and he says माझ्यापेक्षा, even in spite of me, माझ्या वडिलांना मी शिकलेला फार आवडेल. So in spite of me, my father, okay, वडील means father, will love me singing, me learning the music. Okay, so that is how Shirish responded and spoke to the narrator or the teacher of the music school. त्याच चमत्कारी उत्तराचे मला नवल वाटले. चमत्कारी means again strange. So उत्तर means answer. You think why is he answering like this? So in spite of me being happy, my father would be more happy. You will find strange, of a little boy coming to your school for the first time and speaking to you as a teacher like this. So नवल means strange. वाटू लागले व थोडासा रागही येऊ लागला. So he got little irritated also, isn't it? So as a teacher you should respect, no, student teacher respect. So here he is boldly coming and speaking and asking about him, and he is saying that in spite of me my father will like me learning music. तो थोडा वेळ थांबून पुढे म्हणाला. So he stopped for a little while and then he continued speaking and he said मी आपल्याकडे शिकायला येईन. So he said I will come to learn to you. पण माझी एक अट आहे. Ot means condition. So now he is placing a condition also. I'll come to learn but I have a condition. मी शिकायला आलो की रोज माझ्या बरोबर माझे वडील पण येतील. So he is saying that when I come to learn, so this is my condition that my father will also come over with me. व शिकवणी चालू असताना वर्गातच बसतील. शिकवणी means when the practice or the lesson is going on. Okay, चालू असताना means when it is going on. वर्गात means in the classroom. बसतील means he will sit. So this is what Shirish is telling first time only, that I am going to come to learn but I have a condition that when I come to learn, even my father will come and he will also sit when the practice is going on. आता मात्र मला राग आला. So now that was too much for the teacher to take, the narrator to take. Okay, he got very irritated. Rag means he got angry. मी जाणीवपूर्वक हसत म्हणालो. जाणीवपूर्वक means intentionally. Okay, जाणीवपूर्वक हसत म्हणालो मान्य. तुझ्या अटी एकदम मान्य. मान्य means okay. To say agree, I agree. तुझ्या अटी एकदम मान्य. सो वॉट एव्हर यू से, वॉट एव्हर कंडिशन यू आर प्लेइंग, आय विल अग्री टू इट. पण सो युअर अगेन ही इज ऑल्सो पुटिंग अ कंडिशन युअर. पण त्यासाठी तुला महिना 50 रुपये ही फी द्यावी लागेल. सो ही सेइंग फॉर दॅट, फॉर महिना मीन्स पर मंथ. ओके, मंथली यू हॅव टू गिव्ह 50 रुपये, 50 रुपीज फी द्यावी लागेल. कबूल, उद्यापासून मी येतो. सो ही सेइंग कबूल. कबूल मीन्स ओके, आय अग्री. ओके, अँड टुमॉरो, उद्यापासून मीन्स फ्रॉम टुमॉरो मी येतो. माझ्या बरोबर वडील पण येतील बरं का. सो ही इज रिमाइंडिंग अगेन to to the teacher, and he's saying along with me my father will also come, just remember that. baraka means just remember that. असे म्हणून माझ्या आश्चर्यचकित चेहऱ्याकडे न बघता, आश्चर्यचकित means now the teacher was surprised, no, he gave a surprise expression, but Shirish didn't even look at his teacher's face. Okay, so आश्चर्यचकित चेहऱ्याकडे न बघता शिरीष चटकन निघून गेला. चटकन मीन्स इमिजिएटली, निघून मीन्स लेफ्ट. ओके, सो इमिजिएटली ही लेफ्ट, निघून गेला. दुसरे दिवशी तो अगदी वेळेवर आला. सो द नेक्स्ट डे ही केम ऑन टाइम. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर टाइम वॉज डिसाइडेड ऑन दॅट टाइम ही केम ऑन टाइम. ओके, त्याच्या बरोबर एक वयस्कर. सो वयस्कर मीन्स अन एल्डरली पर्सन. त्याच्या बरोबर मीन्स विथ हिम, अलॉंग विथ हिम देर वॉज अ वयस्कर आणि भरदस्त. भरदस्त मीन्स लिटल स्लाइटली वेल बिल्ट. गृहस्थ मीन्स अ पर्सन केम. ओके, हे माझे गुरुजी नाना आणि हे माझे वडील. सो ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड देम बोथ. द वडील, नाना मीन्स हिज फादर. सो ही सेज हे माझे गुरुजी. ओके, सो ही इज माय टीचर, आणि नाना हे माझे वडील. सो बोथ ऑफ देम ही गेव द इंट्रोडक्शन. आमचे नमस्कार झाले. एक अक्षर ना बोलता. सो आमचे नमस्कार झाले, जस्ट लाईक वी से नमस्ते टू each other. So as soon as he had introduced, so the teacher and the father said namaste to each other. And then एक अक्षर ना बोलता नाना खुर्चीवर बसले. सो विदाउट स्पीकिंग अ सिंगल वर्ड. ओके, नाना खुर्चीवर बसले. खुर्ची मीन्स चेअर. ही वेंट अँड सॅट ऑन द चेअर. मी पण न बोलता व्हायलिन काढली व शिरीषच्या हातात दिली. सो इवन द टीचर सेइंग, द नरेटर इज सेइंग that I also did not say anything, but he took one violin and he gave it to शिरीष. शिरीषच्या हातात दिली. त्याने बरोबर वही वगैरे आणली. पाहताच so he had bought wahi and all that. Wahi means a notebook. So he had come well prepared for the musical class. Okay, for the music class. So watching this, when he realized that Shirish was so proper, he brought everything. माझा त्याच्याबद्दल ग्रह चांगला झाला. So ग्रह means I had a very good opinion, because earlier remember that he was a little bit irritated. The teacher was very irritated with Shirish because he was speaking very boldly, and he was saying that all this is my condition and all that. But now when he saw that Shirish had come well prepared for the class, his opinion was good. Okay, so he felt good about it. पहिल्या दिवशी प्राथमिक माहिती. So on the first day, Prathamik means the basic information, or the primary. Prathamik means primary or elementary. माहिती व पहिला धडा दिल्यावर. So when he gave him the basic information and the पहिला धडा means the first lesson दिल्यावर मी हातात वायलिन घेतले. So after he had given him the basic instructions, he took the violin in his hand. and माझ्या विद्यालयात येणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना पहिल्या दिवशी. So whoever student, vidyarthi means whichever student comes on the first time in my school or in my class, दिवशी स्वतःच वाजवून दाखवायचे अशी माझी प्रथा होती. So he would play that instrument and he would show it to them that this is how I play. So that was his pratha. Pratha means that is how he would do the custom. Whenever any new student came, he would play the musical instrument and show it to them. त्यामागील हेतू एवढाच. सो हेतू मीन्स the reason. Okay, त्यामागील means behind that. So whenever any new student came, he would play the musical instrument and show it to them. The reason behind it, he's telling us that की मला त्यांना सुचवायचे असे. सो दिस इज व्हॉट आय वॉन्टेड टू मेक इट क्लिअर टू देम दॅट की नेटाने नीट टिकलात. सो इफ यू पुट ग्रेट एफर्ट्स अँड यू कंटिन्यू, यू लास्ट, टिकला मीन्स टू लास्ट टिल the end, okay, of the class, तर इतपत वाजवू शकाल. So this is what you all will be able to play if you all put great efforts and you all continue it till the end. So this is what you all will be able to play. So this is what he wanted to, show it to the student who comes new to his class. त्याप्रमाणे सुमारे 20 मिनिटं मी पिलू रागातील एक गत वाजवून दाखवली. सो सुमारे त्याप्रमाणे मीन्स सो कंटिन्युइंग प्लेइंग सो at least for 20 minutes. सुमारे means around 20 minutes पिलू रागातले. Now this is another raga. So from that raga, that is Pilu raga, एक गत वाजवून दाखवली. So he played the musical note out of the Pilu raga. जीवाचे कान करून नाना ऐकत होते. जीवाचे means with full seriousness or concentration. नाना was listening to the music. व शिरीष माझ्याकडे व नानांकडे आळीपाळीने बघत होता. So what was Shirish doing while that time? माझ्याकडे, that is the narrator, and नानांकडे, that is his father. आळीपाळीने means turn by turn, alternating. He was watching them both. So he was watching the teacher playing as well as his father listening to the music. So that is what Shirish was doing. मी violin खाली ठेवले व नानांकडे पाहिले. So now the narrator is saying that he kept the violin down and he started observing Nana. त्यांच्या चेहऱ्यावर तृप्तीचे समाधान स्पष्टपणे दिसत होते. So he felt that Nana had the great satisfaction of something, when you enjoy something, you have that satisfaction on your face. So that satisfaction could be seen on Nana's face. स्पष्टपणे means very clearly he could see that. आपण जाऊया आता, शिरीष म्हणाला व पिता पुत्र उठले. So आपण जाऊया means let us go now, that is what Shirish told, and both father and son, पिता पुत्र उठले means father and son got up. मीच आपण होऊन विचारले. So but without saying a word, both of them started going out of the class. But the narrator could not resist himself, and so he himself went forward and asked him. मी आपण होऊन means I myself went forward and asked them, काय कसं काय वाटलं एकंदरी means all together, or together, how did you feel? So that is what the narrator wanted to know. How did you feel my playing the violin? वाह, उत्कृष्ट. So he sings वाह means very good, उत्कृष्ट means excellent. त्याबद्दल प्रश्नच नाही. So there is no doubt about it. That is what he said. So here who is speaking these words? शिरीषनेच मध्ये उत्तर दिले. So Shirish only spoke in between, because here the question was to Nana, to Shirish's father, but Shirish's father did not speak a word. Shirish only spoke. मला त्याचा आगाऊ स्वभावाचा राग आला. आगाऊ means interfering, or he felt it very rude, okay, behavior, that when two elders are talking, isn't it? Small children should not interfere. No? So here he was interfering, and every time the teacher went to talk to Nana, this boy would interfere. आपण कुठे असता कामाला? So here he put a next question, ki where do you work? Normally you do this small talks, when you are meeting somebody first time. So again, बोचकपणे शिरीषच पुन्हा म्हणाला. So again, or trying to talk over smart, he only gave the answer. Shirish only gave the answer. मला वाटले की मध्ये मध्ये बोलल्याबद्दल नाना शिरीषला दम भरतील. So this is what मला वाटले means. The narrator is saying, I felt that मध्ये मध्ये means in between, interfering. मध्ये मध्ये बोलल्याबद्दल. So he was talking, in between. He was not letting Nana speak at all. So he was only talking and interfering. So of this, शिरीषला दम भरतील means he would scold. He would scold Shirish. The father would scold his son. पण त्या उलट, instead, okay, instead the other way round, ते कौतुकाच्या नजरेने त्याच्याकडे पाहत होते. कौतुक means encouraging, as if to say, okay, come on, continue, speak. So that is what he was trying to show it to them. So this is what the narrator felt very strange, that the father, instead of scolding the son, he was encouraging him to speak up. नियमितपणे रोज पिता पुत्राची जोडी येऊ लागली. नियमित means regularly. Then regularly they came. Pita putra means both father and son. Jodi means the the couple. So both of them येऊ लागली. शिरीषची प्रगती पाहून मात्र प्रसंगी मी पण आश्चर्यचकित होत होतो. So Shirish's pragati. Shirish means the pragati means progress. So he was making great progress. So with this situation, he could see that wow, he's doing so much of progress. He was also surprised. The teacher was surprised about it. त्याचा हात वाजवायला अतिशय हलका होता. So his hand, while he was playing the fiddle or the violin, it was very very soft. Okay, so he would gently play. Halka means very softly he would play. आणि माझ्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यात त्याची आकलन शक्ती फारच धांडगी होती. So here the narrator saying that among all his students, okay, his आकलन शक्ती means grasping power. फारच धांडगी. धांडगी means very strong. So he had a very strong grasping power. नाना रोज त्याच्या बरोबर येत व एक अक्षरही न बोलता. So Nana would come every day with him. Okay, along with him. त्याच्या बरोबर means along with him. येत means he would come. व एक अक्षरही. So not a single word he would speak. एक अक्षरही न बोलता शांत बसून राहत. So he would just sit quietly over there. मी पण त्यांच्याशी बोलत नसे. So even I stopped talking, because he realized every time he was talking to Nana, instead of Nana speaking, it was Shirish only was talking. So now whenever Nana would not talk also, he did not bother, the teacher did not bother, and he continued with his work. To check your answers to the textual questions and for free worksheets, please visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.